Welcome to the Pintastic Podcast, a podcast about growing profitability the right way with sustainable systems so you can be found first without tantrums over tech and trading sleep for success. Prepare yourself for mind-blowing discussions and actionable tips focused on Pinterest strategies, funnel marketing, and everything in between with your host, Laura Reich. So let's make Pinterest profitable for you.
There's a quiet truth that began to form in my mind after years of chasing numbers. Traffic counts, clicks, follower totals, conversion rate. Each of them once felt like proof that something was working, that growth was happening. But then I started to notice a strange pattern. Even when the numbers rose, something in the results stayed still. Most people were arriving, but fewer were taking meaningful action. Teams were busier, but not necessarily more fulfilled. The energy behind visibility started to feel more like chasing the building. It made me wonder, what if the goal isn't more traffic at all? What if the goal is better alignment with the people already looking for what you offer? That question changed everything for me. There's a season in every established business owner's visibility where it becomes the obsession. It's natural. Growth often looks like expansion. More eyes, more content, more platforms. Yet, at a certain point, the return begins to blur. Teams grow tired, systems feel stretched. And while traffic numbers might look impressive, the energy behind them doesn't always translate into qualified leads or sales. I began to notice this in my own work and in the clients who came to me. The pattern repeated itself. They had an incredible offer, strong funnels, stunning creatives, yet a quiet frustration that the effort wasn't equaling results. The common thread wasn't the offer or even the marketing. It was the kind of attention being attracted. Some traffic was engaged but not ready. Some was curious but not aligned. Some of the traffic was simply just passing through because they happened upon it. That's when I began exploring what it might look like to create pathways designed for readiness, not reach. I started wondering, what if? What could happen if visibility wasn't measured by volume, but by resonance? Instead of asking, how many people saw this? What if we turned that question to a different one and asked, who arrived here already leaning in? That's how the concept of core began to take shape. Core isn't a funnel, it's a lens, a new way of looking at how people discover you and how that discovery process shapes the kind of clients who eventually arrive at your door. It invites you to think about the visibility as energy alignment. It asks, what kind of searcher is drawn to you? What kind of user is that person? Because discovery happens in layers. And when those layers are aligned with buyer readiness, everything inside your business begins to move with more ease. Pinterest began to reveal itself as a fascinating space for this exploration for me. Unlike social platforms that thrive on interruption, Pinterest is built around intention. People are going there to look for something specific. They're in motion, they're curious, they're exploring ideas and solutions. It's a platform that mirrors how high caliber clients think. They're often quiet observers at first. They research deeply before engaging. They want to understand before they commit. When a business shows up in an environment with clarity, confidence, and trust already visible, the connection feels natural. There's no pressure to perform. The visibility is already doing its quiet work. That realization changed how I viewed traffic. Traffic stopped being a race to capture attention. It became an invitation to meet aligned users who are already searching right where they are already looking. Many of the leaders that I work with have already built something remarkable. They have teams, they have systems, they have a VA, and they have offers that convert. What they crave next isn't more, it's actually less. Less noise, less chaos, less confusion, fewer moving parts that demand constant monitoring. They want marketing that behaves like an extension of their leadership, not a drain on it. They don't want to learn another platform. They want a discovery system that operates in the background quietly while attracting the right people at the right time without needing daily attention. When this shift happens, something remarkable unfolds. The business begins to breathe again. The CEO gets to step out of the grind and back into the bigger vision. Pinterest aligned with core becomes that engine that fuels that transition. I've noticed that on most platforms, visibility depends on presence. You post, you engage, you show up daily. If you pause, your visibility fades. Pinterest works differently. It rewards clarity over frequency and strategy over speed. When you publish content designed for discovery, it doesn't vanish after a few hours. It continues to circulate, sometimes for months or even years. That right person might find a piece of your content long after it was created, in a moment that they're actively looking for what you offer. That moment of discovery builds trust instantly. It's not loud, but it's powerful. This kind of visibility doesn't just grow your reach, it depends on your resonance. It's easy to underestimate the invisible weight that unqualified traffic adds to a business. Every new inquiry, click, or conversion carries an energy cost. Your team spends time sorting, responding, and nurturing. You spend energy and money reviewing reports that look impressive on paper but don't align with real outcomes. When attention isn't qualified, it multiplies complexity. When discovery is filtered for readiness, it multiplies ease. I began to see that visibility could either expand clarity or dilute it. And that realization shaped how I now approach growth for myself and for my clients. When discovery aligns with readiness, the experience of business shifts on multiple levels. The calendar lightens, calls become more meaningful. The right people move forward with confidence, while the ones who aren't ready self select themselves out. Your team or VA relaxes. They begin working with leads who already understand the offer. Their energy feels focused again. The data stabilizes. Instead of volatile spikes and dips, growth becomes rhythmic and predictable. You create a new floor, not try to hit a new ceiling. And perhaps most beautifully, the founder reconnects with its vision and peace. They remember why they started this in the first place. They realize that scaling doesn't have to feel like sprinting. It can feel like inner alignment. With Simply Fantastic, Core operates as both a philosophy and a framework. It helps businesses look beyond the surface of visibility and understand what truly drives qualified discovery. When we bring Core into a client's ecosystem, we focus on three key areas. One is discovering energy. Who is already searching for your offer, and how can your content meet them where they're at? The second one is trust pathways. What does a prospect need to feel before they ever click, book a call, or buy now? The third is evergreen visibility. How can we design a system that continues working while you step away? When those three layers align, visibility becomes something deeper than traffic. It becomes proof of presence, consistent and trustworthy. I've come to see that the real return on visibility isn't found in traffic counts or follower growth. It's found in peace. It's found in quiet. It's found in your energy being reclaimed. It's in the confidence that your marketing continues to serve even when you're offline. It's knowing that every person entering your world is already a few steps closer to yes. When visibility aligns with readiness, revenue follows naturally. But more than that, ease follows. If this idea stirs something up inside of you, I'd like to invite you to a pin chat. It's not a sales call, it's a conversation. One rooted in curiosity, clarity, and genuine exploration of whether the core method fits into your business. We'll look at your discovery pathways, your visibility patterns, and the ways your best content might already be calling to the right clients. You'll leave with the insight regardless of whether we work together. Because the truth is, your next level of growth might not require more effort. It might simply require a clearer pathway for people to find you. I often think about visibility as a light. You can flood a space with brightness, but sometimes the real power lies in how that light is focused. When your visibility narrows into alignment with the people who are already seeking you, something remarkable happens. The noise fades, the clarity for you returns, and what's left is connection that actually converts. Maybe the question you should ask isn't, how can I get more traffic? Maybe it's, what if the right traffic has been waiting to find me all along?
Thanks so much for listening to the Pintastic Podcast. If you're enjoying the show, please feel free to rate, subscribe, and review on wherever you listen to your podcasts. We really appreciate that effort. Until next time.